Hi friends, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to prototype a responsive list hover effect. So I'm going to do a very simple design. And so I can just use slide for this. So I can just say alright, so can have this. I can make this 45 degrees, and I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to make this minus 45 degrees. So I'm going to Ctrl G to group this, and I'm going to highlight this and add auto layout, and make this space between. So for this, I'm going to add a layout grid, a columns grid. I'm going to make this 16 margin. Can bring these in here. Alright, so alright, so I'm going to speed up this process. %. So we also do same for this. We draw shadow. So next is to prototype our accent bar. But before we do that, we should know the width and height of this frame, so that it would cover the entire touch area, that's the entire target area. So because anywhere we hover around this whole area, it should be able to respond. So we are going to select this frame. So and we go, this is 548 by 43. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to select a frame, 548 by 43. Now this is what we should do, so that we are going to cover the entire target area. So now I'm going to have my accent bar. I can make this 3, that's fine. So I'm going to ensure that it's at the center. So I'm going to fix this, and I'm going to convert this into a component and duplicate. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to hold down Alt and extend this. Alright, so I'm going to select this frame, and I'm going to remove the fill. Also going to do the same for this. So this has to be white, and this I'm going to give this blue color. Alright, so I'm going to go to prototype, and I'm going to connect this to this. I say Y hovering, so let it smart animate to this, and this would go back on mouse leaf. Alright, so let's go back to our design here. So I'm going to go to assets and I'm going to drag this. Yes, but before I do this, I'm going to remove auto layout, because if I place this in here, it's going to affect the list. So I'm going to undo this. So I'm going to remove I'm going to select this, and I'm going to remove auto layout. So I'm going to speed up this process. Alright, so now we can now go to assets and we drag this in here, and I'm going to ensure that I cover this whole place. Alright, that's fine. Now I can now duplicate this. Alright, alright, we are done. So let's present this to see if that will work fine. Alright, so I'm going to run this now. So this is it. So if I'm hovering, anywhere I'm hovering around the lists, it's responding. You can see it's actually working fine. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.